Hey guys, welcome to Bharti Yoga. I'm Bharti. So, Light on Yoga by BKS Iyengar is considered a classic of modern yoga. I have always had this book at my house since I was little, and I have referred to it from time to time whenever I'm looking for something specific. However, I have never actually gotten around to finishing this book. So, to push myself, I have thrown myself this Light on Yoga challenge, in which I'll be documenting videos of all the 200 asanas in this book, along with instructions on how to do them. So, if you're keen on learning yoga through this book, join me in this journey and let some light of yoga shine upon us.
The foundation pose of all standing yoga asanas is Tadasana or the mountain pose. Stand with your feet together. Stretch out all your toes and then place them firmly flat on the ground. Tighten the knees and pull the kneecaps up. Engage the legs and pull up the muscles at the back of the thighs. Keep the belly in. Chest open, shoulders rolled back and down, and the neck straight. Do not bear the weight just on the heels or the toes, but distribute it equally on all four corners of the feet. If you see this from the side, your spine should maintain its natural curve. Sometimes we have the tendency to arch the back in order to have a straight spine. To avoid this, as you suck in your belly, also scoop in the tailbone forward to keep the back straight. Once you have this foundation right, as you inhale, take both the arms overhead, interlace them, and as you raise your heels, extend the entire body up. Stay for a couple of breaths and slowly bring the heels down, followed by both the hands. That's Tadasana. Do subscribe to stay tuned into the Light on Yoga challenge to learn all the asanas as taught by Guru BKS Iyengar. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.